Brad Williams, XL Prime. Compute the percentage change. Here we have old prices and new prices. We want to figure out is that percentage change. We're going to look at D5 minus C5 divided by C5. That's just the new price minus the old price divided by the old price. If we take the second approach, we're going to take D5 minus C5 and divide it by D5. Both percentage changes, but you can see the impact. This is the change from the original price, and then this other is the change from the old price, right? We're dividing by D5 minus C5 by C5. That means we're just looking at percentage change. And then here is just the change from new to old divided by D. And for proof, we're going to go C5 times 1 plus D5. And we get 60. See that? If you're uncertain as to what the difference is, just read the narratives. Why would one be more important than the other? If you read this, the answer becomes very clear. XL Prime. Brad Williams, XL Prime.